Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is like a tea tree oil and then a mask. Cause since my teenagers they're having issue with their pimples, zits, acne, whatever you call it. So I'm gonna unbox this. But you gotta check it out now. So, let's see. I got this from LUSH. So it is a tea tree toner, my bad. It's a 3.34 ounce for $10.95. And then a mask of Magnaminty self-serving 4.4 ounce for $14.95. Total damage is with tax $6 shipping, $34.70. Oh, this popcorn. Wow. So this is the tea tree water toner. 3.3 ounce. 100 milliliter. Come with a spray bottle, and then there's a cap. And then this is the face and body mask. I'm not sure what is this. Soap. So I guess this is a free sample or something. It's pretty small. Let's see. And then that's it for $34.70. All right. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't do so yet. And I'm gonna make a video on how my son face turned out to be after 3 weeks. Hopefully you guys stay tuned to watch that. And share this with your friend and family on social media, and be sure to hit that notification button. Please drop me in the comments down below, and if you guys could get this at cheaper price. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.